damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Persons outdoors or in vehicles should seek safety inside a sturdy building until the storm passes. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report tornadoes or final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432. At 8:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a severe thunderstorm 4 miles south of Zapata, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. This storm is capable of